Yo, what is up guys, Tomzan here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be posting my most requested video, how to get Yankton plates and Chameleon wheels in GTA 5 online. So this is how you get them in today's video. Now there are a few methods to get yourself Yankton plates and Chameleon wheels, but those are gonna be expensive, so I'm not gonna be showing you guys those methods because one of them you gotta buy a $60 program called Save Wizard. Not everyone's gonna buy a $60 program just to mod a few cars. So that's why I'm gonna be showing you guys this method I'm be showing you in today's video. It does not require a $60 program and anyone can go ahead and do it. And the best thing, it takes under a minute to go ahead and complete. So let's get into it. If you want to go and get yourself a modded account with billions of dollars for cheap, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding. They can even boost your current account with money levels, modded cars, modded outfits, and more. So if you want to go and check out what they can offer you, then make sure you go and check out the link down below in the description and let's get into it. So pretty much the method I'm going to be showing you guys is to pretty much just go ahead and trade or get cars from someone else. That's literally the method right there. It's that simple. That's how I was able to get all of my Yankton plates, all of my Chameleon wheels and paint jobs. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. And also, Chameleon wheels are only available for new gen consoles. So if you're on Xbox One or PS4 version of GTA, then you're not gonna be able to get Chameleon wheels at all because they're only available for new gen, just to let you know. So basically for this, all you gotta do is find someone else already has Yanktons or Chameleon wheels, and that's very easy. If you go and join my Discord server down below in the description, there's thousands of members on there that are pretty much trading cars every single day with Chameleons, Yankton plates, crystal clear windows, green tints, Patriot smoke, other modded paint jobs, etc. I can keep on going on. So pretty much just go and find someone that has Chameleon wheels and Yankton plates or some other modifications you want, and all you want to do now is go ahead and join up into a GTA Online session. So once both of you guys are in a GTA session, I'd recommend an invite only session as well. So once you're inside of a GTA Online session, you just want to head over to the Santos Car Meet. Once inside of the Santos Car Meet, you want to head over inside of here and pretty much just go ahead and have the other person that has the Chameleon wheels and Yankton plate, have them call up the car that has those modifications. Once they call up the car that has the modifications, all you gotta do now is pretty much walk up to the car, to the side of the car, and go and press X if you're on Xbox and square if you're on PlayStation. And now it will prompt you to buy the vehicle, go and purchase it, and put it into any one of your garages. And now you have a vehicle with Chameleons and Yankton plates in GTA 5 Online. So now, if you want to go and put these modifications onto any one of your personal vehicles, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So if you want to go and put these mods onto another vehicle of yours, all you have to do is go and do the bending/FO merge glitch. These are going to be all of the requirements you're going to need to go ahead and get it to work. So make sure you have every single one of these. Once you have the requirements, all you want to do now is pretty much head over to the Maze Bank Arena right over here. Once you're here, make sure you have your donor car as well with you. For me, it's going to be the car that I just got from OP. Shout out to him. And pretty much all you want to do now is get out your donor vehicle, come over to interaction menu, come over to map, blip options, jobs, and just make sure every single one of them say show. And just make sure you have all these blue jobs on the map just like this. All you want to do once you have the blue jobs, head up these stairs right over here, come over to the ticket booth, and you just want to go and press right D-pad on it. And once you press right D-pad, you'll be on the screen just like this. Now once you're on the screen, you want to have your friend that's inside of the LS Car Meet to go ahead and start up a missions job. So this should be their POV right here. So this is what they need to go ahead and do. So what they want to do is open up their pause menu, come over to online, jobs, play job, rocks are created, and then come over to missions and start any one of them up. Does not matter which one, just start any. And once you're inside of the mission, all you want to do now is go ahead and send the person that's over at the Maze Bank an invite to the job. And all you want to do now, once you send them that invite, go and press B or circle once and just stay on this alert until further notice. Now the person over at the Maze Bank, what you want to go ahead and do is accept that invite from them that they just sent you right now. Accept it and you should get this alert right here. Go and wait on it. Now what you two want to go ahead and do now is pretty much accept both of your alerts at the same exact time. And then when you do accept it, you should hear 3 booms just like this. And when you hear the third boom, all you want to do is go and press A or X to go ahead and accept it. And pretty much when you load back in, you should have no minimap. Once you have no minimap, you want to have your friend over at the LS Car Meet to send you an invite to the LS Car Meet through the interaction menu. And now we can go ahead and begin modding our vehicles. Step 2. Once you're back into the LS Car Meet, you want to open up the interaction menu, come over to your vehicles, and then request personal vehicle. And now your donor car that was over at the Maze Bank Arena should now be inside the LS Car Meet. So now that your donor donor cars inside of the LS Car Meet, you want to have whoever's helping you out to go ahead and send you a sprint job invite. So they can do it by coming over to their interaction menu, LS Car Meet, and then sprints right over here, and they can start it up and send you an invite. Now once you get the invite, go and accept it through your phone, and all you want to do now is go ahead and load up into the job. Now that you're inside of the sprint job, you want to register yourself up as a CEO and head over to the nearest Los Santos Customs, which is going to be right up the street over here. Now as you're getting closer to Los Santos Customs, you want to go and request yourself up a buzzard from your CEO. So just come over to your CEO and then CEO vehicles, and then buzzard right over here, request it, and make sure it spawns in by looking around and see where it spawns in. So for me, it's right behind me. There it is. So once the buzzard spawns in, all you want to do now is head over to your Los Santos Customs and pretty much drive your donor car into it just like this. Once you're inside of the Los Santos Customs, you want to go and press B once to go ahead and have this option right here, and now go ahead and hold Y or triangle to respawn. Now when you respawn, you will get this infinite black loading screen, and all you want to do now is go ahead and join up on Anahuac. So just go and press join game on them, and once you do, go and accept the first alert and then decline the second alert, and you will get a third alert. Just go and press OK on that one, and you should see your donor car has now disappeared and you're on foot. So all you want to do now is head over to your buzzard and pretty much get into it. And once you get into your buzzard, go and fly far away, and when you fly far away, you should teleport you back over to the Los Santos Customs just like this. Now once you teleport back, all you want to do now is go ahead and find wherever your yacht is located at. For me, it's going to be located over here, so I'm going to head over to it and I'll meet you guys there. Now as you're getting closer to your yacht, all you want to do is go and call up your captain. So just come over to your phone, contacts, and captain, and once here, you should pick up, and you want to go and come over to request personal vehicle. And all you want to do now is request the car that you want to mod. So this could be any car as long as it can fit into Los Santos Customs. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and call up my Deluxo. So when you go ahead and call it up, open up the map now and see where your vehicle spawns in. So for me, it spawned right over here. Once your vehicle spawns in, all you want to do now is go and hold Y or triangle to respawn. And when you do respawn, you should see that all the modifications from your donor car, which is pretty much our vehicle with the Chameleon wheels and Yankton plate, all the modifications from that vehicle have now transferred to my Deluxo. So what you want to do next is to go and open up your map, come over here to this exact job on the map right over here, and all you want to do now is go and start it up. Now once you start it up, come over to your friends and just go and join up on Anahuac. Just do join game on him, and you want to accept the first alert and then decline the second alert, and it should now teleport you over to this Los Santos Customs nearby. All you want to do now is just walk over to the job again, press right D-pad on it once, and now just going back out of it once you're inside of the job. And when you load back in, you will see that your car is now next to you, and all you have to do now is go ahead and get into the car and drive into the Los Santos Customs, which is right in front of us. And all you want to do now is go and change one thing on the vehicle. I recommend you change the armor because it scratches nothing on the vehicle, which is a good thing. And pretty much once you change the armor, you're good to go. The car is now saved, and you can mod another one. And if you want to know how to get white joggers in GTA 5 Online, watch this video right here and take care.